Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the turtle breakdance move. First, let's get your foundation right. Place both hands flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart, with your fingers spread wide for maximum grip and stability. Now, tuck your elbows firmly into your lower abdomen, just above your hip bones. This creates a strong shelf for your body. Keep your core super tight and your body engaged. This is crucial for balance and control as you begin to lift. With your hands and elbows set, it's time to lift. Gently shift your weight forward, pressing firmly through your palms and forearms into the floor. As you feel stable, slowly lift your feet off the ground. Try to keep your legs together and relatively straight, aiming for a clean, horizontal line from your head all the way to your toes. Focus on keeping your core engaged throughout this entire process to maintain that perfect balance. Once you're up, the key is to hold it steady. Actively engage your core muscles, imagining a strong plank from your shoulders to your ankles. Breathe slowly and deeply. Holding your breath will make you tense. Find a fixed point on the floor to focus your gaze, which helps with overall stability. Start by aiming to hold the turtle freeze for 5 to 10 seconds, gradually increasing your time as your strength improves. Consistent practice is essential for mastering the turtle freeze. Dedicate time to building strength in your core, shoulders, and triceps. Once you're comfortable with the basic hold, start experimenting with different leg variations, such as straddling your legs or bending your knees. Remember to always warm up your body thoroughly before attempting this move to prevent any injuries. Enjoy the journey of mastering this iconic breakdance move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.